Agricultural practices and cropping pattern. Life need food. Dear students, you, me, plants, animals, all are living organisms. All living organisms requires energy to carry out various processes such as growth and maintenance. This energy is obtained from food. You must be knowing that plants can make their own food by photosynthesis. But animals, on the other hand, cannot make their own food. Instead, all animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Food from agriculture. Till 10,000 BC, people were traveling in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They opt raw fruits, vegetables, and hunt animals for food. To solve this problem, they plant same type of plants in one place. Same type of plants, for example, wheat that is grown and cultivated on a large scale is called crop. The practice of farming and cultivation of crop is called agriculture. As compared to age-old agricultural practices, today's agricultural practices are much more improved. But still, the food production is not sufficient to meet the demand of large population, and so there is still need of improvements. Classification of crops. We all know that India is a very big country. Here, region to region, we can find different climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, and rainfall. Since different crops require different climatic conditions for their growth, we can find variety of crops from region to region. Basically, on the basis of seasons, we can classify crops into two cropping patterns, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops. The crops which are sown in rainy season are called Kharif crops. Some of the Kharif crops are paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut, cotton, etc. Rabi crops. The crops which are sown in winter season are called Rabi crops. In India, winter season is from October to March. Some of the Rabi crops are wheat, peas, mustard and linseed. Besides these two cropping patterns, pulses and vegetables are also grown during the summer season. Preparation of soil. During crop production, farmers perform several activities in the farm over a period of time. These activities are called agricultural practices. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. The first step is preparation of soil. With the help of a plough, the soil is prepared by loosening and turning it. The process of loosening or turning the soil is called ploughing or tilling. It is done by a plough made by wood or iron. In case if soil is hard, then watering is done before ploughing to make it soft. Ploughing forms big pieces of soil called crumbs. Plough helps to break the crumbs further. Leveler helps to level the soil for sowing and irrigation purposes. Sometimes manure is added before ploughing. Preparation of soil is necessary to bring the nutrient-rich layer at the top. It allows roots to go deep into the soil. In deep soil, loosening also helps the roots to breathe easily. In addition, the loosened soil also helps earthworms and microbes present in the soil to grow. These organisms make tunnels and further helps to loosen the soil. These organisms decompose the dead plants and animals into nutrients that plants can absorb and use. The nutrient-rich organic matter present in the soil is called humus. It gives black color to the soil. Without these organisms, humus cannot be produced. Besides, earthworms and microbes are true friends of farmers. Agricultural implements. The main tools used for soil preparation are plough, hoe and cultivator. Plough. It is made of wood or iron and usually drawn by the pair of bulls or other animals. It consists of a plowshare, which is a strong triangular iron tip, a plough shaft, a long log of wood handled at one end and a beam at another end in the bull's neck. A man can operate the plough using the pair of bulls. Hoe. In order to remove weeds, farmers use hoe. It consists of long rod of wood or iron and a strong, broad and bent blade of iron that works like a blade. Hoe is pulled by animals. Cultivator. Tractor-driven cultivators are now popular for ploughing. It saves labor and time. So I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thank you.
வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் கமெண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள்.